Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn about advance payments to vendors and maintain payment terms. Advance to suppliers basically refers to the amount that has been paid to suppliers in advance for goods and services that are to be purchased at a later date. Advance to suppliers of goods is an asset. Assign Sundry Creditors account with advance to vendors. T-code OBYR. Click on symbol A. Down payments for current assets. Select Chart of accounts. Here we have to give two accounts. In reconciliation account 1602 Sundry Creditors. In Special GL account 2207 advances to vendor. Click on Save. Here we have assigned Sundry Creditors with advances to vendors. Next, post vendor down payment. T-code F-48. Select document date. Select posting period. Select currency. Select company code. Next, select vendor account. Select Special GL Indicator A. Next, bank account. Next, amount. Business area. Next, enter text. Click Enter. In amount field star. Business area. In text field plus. Click on Save. Document 206 was posted in company code time. Click on Document, select Display. Posting key 50 credit GL account. Posting key 29 debit special GL account. Special GL indicator A, it means down payment. Next, post vendor invoice. T-code F-43. Select document date. Next, select vendor account. 25,000 down payment displayed below. Business area. Next, enter text. Posting key 40. Select raw material account. In amount field star. Business area. In text field plus. Click on Save. Click on Document, select Display. Posting key 31 for credit to vendor account. Posting key 40 for debit GL account. Next, display vendor line items. T-code FBL1N. Select Special GL transactions. Click on Execute. Status in red color pending for clear Special GL transfer. Next, clear vendor down payment. T-code F-54. Select document date. Select vendor account. Next, give text. Click on Process Down Payments. Double-click on Transfer Posting. Go to Document, click on Simulate. Click on Save. Document 301 was posted in company code time. Next, vendor line item balances. T-code FBL1N. Select Special GL Transaction. Select Cleared Items. Click on Execute. Status in green color, there is no pending in Special GL Transactions. Click on back arrow. Select Normal Items. Select Open Items. Here vendor account balance is 0 but still status showing in red color. We can clear them by using T-code F-44. Select vendor account. Click on Process Open Items. Just click on Save. Go to FBL1N. Click on Execute. There is no open items. Select Cleared Items. Here we can see the cleared documents. Next topic: maintain payment terms. T-code OBB8. Click on New Entry. Give your own payment terms. Next, give sales text. Next, select document date. Give percentage in field 1 and 2. Next, give number of days. Here I have taken 5% within 20 days and 3% within 30 days from document date. After onwards 0%. Click on Save. Next, assignment of cash discount account for automatic postings. T-code OBXU. Select Chart of Accounts. Click on Save. Give cash discount received account. Click on Save. Next, assign payment method to vendor accounts. T-code XK02. Select vendor account and select payment transactions. Give your own payment terms instead of 0001. Click on Save. Next, post vendor invoice T-code F-43. Select document date. Select vendor account. Enter amount. Business area. Payment terms automatically updated with percentages. Next, text. Select posting key 40. Select raw material account. In amount field star. Business area. In text field plus. Click on Save. Document 105 was posted in company code time. Next, post vendor payment T-code F-53. Select document date. Select bank account. Business area. In amount field, give 9,500 only. Balance 500 cash discount received from vendor 702. Next, text. Next, select vendor account. In amount field we given 9,500 only. Invoice posted for 10,000. We have assigned payment terms to vendor 702. Balance 500 will display separate line item. If you give full amount in amount field, it will not allow to post document. Click on Process Open Items. See here invoice amount 10,000. Amount we enter 9,500. Cash discount 500. Cash discount 5%. Next, go to Document, click on Simulate. Click on line item 2. Enter text for cash discount. Click on Save. Go to Document, click on Display. Posting key 50 HDFC bank amount 9,500. Posting key 50 cash discount received amount 500. Posting key 25 vendor account amount 10,000. Like this we can post document using payment terms. In this video we have learnt how to configure vendor down payments and maintain payment terms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.